Hey, are you learning how to scrape your tongue? Yeah? Brush it good. Brush it good. Drool everywhere. Brush and drool, brush and drool. Get that Orabrush in there, clean it all up good. Yes, ma'am. Scrape that tongue. That's delicious, isn't it? Numma, 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 numma. What is... So we discovered this today, that this Orabrush tongue scraper actually makes for a pretty good toy to amuse a 7-month-old for a good long while. I just sat here and uploaded and tagged and shared my video while she sat here and played with this Orabrush. So thanks, Orabrush, much appreciated. Sponsor? Huh? Sponsor? No, not a sponsor. No, maybe, huh?